tips on how to earn money online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most exciting opportunities of our time: how to earn money online. The internet has changed the way we live, work, and even make a living. Whether you want a side hustle, a part-time gig, or even a full-time career, the online world provides countless possibilities. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos filled with strategies to build financial freedom. Now, let's jump into the practical tips. Point 1. Freelancing. Use your skills. Freelancing is one of the most straightforward ways to start making money online. If you can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, or code, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. At first, you may need to accept small jobs at lower rates, but that's how you build your portfolio. Over time, positive reviews will allow you to charge more. Many freelancers begin by earning just a little, but eventually scale into full-time income, with some making 6 figures annually. 2. Creating online content. The second method is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are perfect for people who enjoy teaching, entertaining, or sharing ideas. Once you grow an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling products. The key is consistency. It may take months before you see results, but every big creator you know today started from zero. If you keep posting valuable content, growth will come, and so will the income opportunities. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful option. Here, you recommend products and earn a commission when people buy through your link. Amazon Associates, for example, allows you to promote almost any product available on Amazon. What's great about affiliate marketing is that it works around the clock. Once your blog, YouTube channel, or social media posts are up, they can keep generating sales even while you sleep. It takes patience to build traffic, but once it grows, the income can become semi-passive. 4. Selling digital products. If you'd like to create something once and sell it multiple times, digital products are perfect. This could be books, courses, templates, or even digital art. Unlike physical products, there's no need to worry about inventory or shipping. For instance, if you're skilled in fitness, you could design a training program. If you're into design, you can sell templates or branding kits. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easy to get started. Digital products allow you to scale without limits because you can sell the same file an unlimited number of times. 5. Remote jobs and online tutoring. If you prefer steady work, consider applying for remote jobs. Many companies now hire virtual assistants, customer support representatives, or tech specialists to work completely online. Websites like We Work Remotely and Remote.co are full of opportunities. Another path is online tutoring. If you're good at math, languages, or science, platforms like Preply, VIPKID, or Cambly let you teach students worldwide. Teaching online pays well and gives you the chance to meet people from different cultures while working from home. 6. Investing online. Finally, there's investing. While it requires learning and caution, investing in stocks, crypto, or crowdfunding platforms can grow your wealth over time. Always start small. Never risk money you can't afford to lose, and take time to educate yourself. Investing isn't about getting rich quickly, it's about building long-term financial stability. Final thoughts: the internet has opened doors for everyone, regardless of background. Whether you want to freelance, build content, sell products, or invest, there's a path suited to your strengths. The most important thing is not just to learn, but to act. Too many people watch videos endlessly without ever starting. Take the first step today, no matter how small. Even if you earn just a little at first, every journey begins with one move forward. Over time, consistency and patience will pay off. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on how to build financial freedom online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.